Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reacting to some classical memes from 2019. So these are pretty classic. So yeah, let's get started. All right, we got this one. Since it's popularly Christmas season, now I need to figure out how am I gonna buy a gift for all my friends. That $3 I got. Not that funny. But good meme though, good meme. They got a ton of SpongeBob meme. Okay, TFW, you plan on killing your able passing, but they rape and murder you first. That's called backfiring. Alright, no, I'm cracking tears yet. Me, teacher, go to the bathroom. Teacher, may I? Me, you may. Teacher. Oh my god. Oh yo, I haven't laughed like this in years. Oh my god, you do not understand. You do not understand. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck. God damn. I'm dead. Well, there's a no one. Okay. Okay, employer. Can you speak Italian? Me, yes. Coin. It's me, Mario. It's a me, Mario. Really? You don't lie to the man, like damn. Fuck. There's more of these where they came from. Okay. Me. I just got out a new PC. Can I get one? Mom. Wait, does he live in his house? In this what? What does that have to do? The next day. Mom, your friend Joe got a school ship. You should go start like him. Me, does he live? Oh my god. Yo, he got the back. He got that backfire though. He got that backfire. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck. Mom, clean. Oops. No, whatever. Okay, mom, clean your room. Me. It's my room. Mom, it's my house. Me. Then clean it. Mom. Oh my god. But that's true though. It is the grown-up's house. And they should clean it. Because it's their room. They can do whatever they want. Oh my god. I want to make more of these videos. Please comment down below if you want more. I would love to read these memes. Oh, it's the same stuff again. Never mind. Oh jeez. Okay. So my kids have been Shrek mask. What? Have a Shrek mask. They play a game named Hide and Shrek. It's like a hide and seek, except the seeker is Shrek. And when he finds them, he yells, "Get out of my swamp," which is a classic, and chase them. As the seeker is moving through house, he quietly sings a little. Wait, all star? What? What? Oh, when you're the only one bullying the weird kid, he started shooting up while you sit. Oh jeez, I thought that would be more funny than I expected. But honestly, this bird meme, this bird meme, this got me the most. Whoever made this meme, shout out to you. Whoever made that meme. PlayStation fans, Xbox sucks. Xbox fans, PlayStation sucks. Nintendo fans, all you guys suck. PC fan, wait, PC fans, you all guys suck. People who like all of them. Gaming is gaming. That's true. That's true. It is gaming. Yeah, you know. I'm trying to. Oh shit. No. 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 Oh my god. No. 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 Not this again. No. Not this again. Why? Okay, fine. You're gonna read it. Okay. When you finally found the right video on port. Oh shit. I'm just gonna. Never mind. On porn. But then you hear someone coming home. What are you doing, step brother? Oh shit. Eh. My life doesn't exist. This movie sucks. Okay. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Be right back. Okay, we are back. Oh, there's a buzz. Okay, Google. Home with the turn off mic. Turn off with. Okay, Google home with turn off mic exists. Me. Okay, Google. Google home. I can't hear you if the microphone is turned off. Me. The classic. Wait, when you flush the toilet and the water starts to rise. Ah, fuck. Well, I lost my humor. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Mom, clean your room. We having company. Me. Everyone eating in my room or something? I mean... Eh? Okay. Forgetting parents. Will you ever be proud of you? Dad, how old are you? Me, 18. Dad, when I was your age, I was 19. I was the same thing as 18. That's like 1 year away. Okay, anyway. Yeah, boy. Family, insult my weight. Insult your weight. Family, you're being so rude. Why aren't you spending time with us? Well, that's why. Because of that face. See, that's why. See, this is why. This is why. This is a face that you just ate 1,000 cookies and then you just get caught by the 1 second. Wait. When you're 5 days into nothing November and your homie bends over. Dear God, help. Please help. Think memes. Ammo? What? Okay, these memes are not even funny no more. But that bird made me laugh. That bird. Hold on. There's a snake in my boot. wait. Looking for the date. Me, Captain is trying to. Oh my god! What the fuck? iPhone niggas, when they drop their phone and their screen becomes a gay pride flag. Oh shit. Okay. Hold on. When the school shooter shows, "Hey Siri," when you're hiding. I mean, it happens to everyone. I crapped that up. I cried when I saw that. Like I couldn't stand the face when I was on my when I was in class. Oh my god, I couldn't stand that meme. That was hilarious. I couldn't hold it in. Oh yeah, when you're hiding from a killer in the dark room and you're a light. Why do you even have your light up Skechers go off? Why do you even have your shoes? Why do you have your shoes on actually? That's a spice meatball. Oh, that's the meme. Okay. Well, guess I'm gonna end there. Sorry I didn't get to all the memes that I should have, but this was pretty hilarious. If you want to yeah. Anyway, if you want me to react some more memes, make sure to comment down below. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.